to In the Kitchen with Mary. Don't forget, on QVC2 at 11 a.m. we go live every single day. Monifa is over there talking to you about a brand new gorgeous sweater that you can check in and see in about 5 minutes. But this is a tool that we fell in love with from Temp-tations, and we said, please, please bring us more. And they said, okay, we will. This is a utensil crock. But this one also holds your tablet. So you can put your utensils in here, but then you can also have your tablet for reading recipes, for watching a favorite series like One on Wine on YouTube if you felt so inclined. But you can also watch QVC if you would like. So really cool to have that dual purpose that we know and love from Temp-tations for the last 19 years. Quickly, I'll show you. We have it in red, we have it in black, we have it in blue. Here's the taupe. We've got gray, and we also have confetti. It is a featured price of $24.64, but the price goes up at the end of the day. And Tara Tesher, who's the founder and CEO at Temp-tations, is joining us live. Good morning, pretty lady. How are you?
Oh, I'm fantastic, Mary. Good morning. I have to tell you, at the heart of it, this is everything that Temp-tations stands for. I love the fact that you have the sweet sentiment, meals and memories made here.
Yeah.
You know, this is a brand for 19 years that we've been gathering family and friends back around the table, making our homes more warm and appealing. And this is that piece that does so many things, right? Because, of course, it is a utensil crock. It's one of the #1 requests that we get. But why does it only have to just be a utensil crock? By putting that design and that lip in the front, you now can put your tablet there. You could put a cookbook there, which is fantastic. Right here, I have our cookbook. Yes, of course, the utensils can be in the back, but then also, Mary, whether it's your phone, whether it's your tablet, or you just want to go ahead and use it for flowers, this is still our great stoneware. So fill that reservoir in the back and put flowers right inside there. And now you have that sweet sentiment of meals and memories made here with our sweet little rolling pin. And now it's been a vase, it's been a tablet holder, it holds your utensils, and so much more.
I was reading through the reviews because the reviews on Temp-tations, I love how creative everybody is. I read one review that said they use them for makeup brushes in their primary bathroom. I also saw vase for flowers on the table. Also, you can read the recipe without having to put your phone on the countertop. Phones and tablets can get nasty real quick.
What do you mean?
That's crazy talk. But also, your cookbook, madam, is located here, and it holds it beautifully.
Right, and you can just leave it there, right? A lot of times we invest in cookbook stands. This is something that you have that you can just kind of customize. So if you have your favorite cookbook that you want to keep right there, how perfect. There, as you spin it around, Mary, there's that beautiful pattern that you see there. We call that our classic. It mixes our floral patterns of old world and floral lace. That's our taupe color. So again, think about, especially as a gift, this is something universal that people can use. Whether, again, it's holding utensils, tablets, whether it's holding your cookbook, or it's just a decorative piece that you love the sentiment. You just pick the color. They're solid in saturation, so they're going to pop with any kitchen or around your home.
Tara, I would love to start down there with you at the confetti choice, because that confetti is very popular. And I'm going to trot down there, and each color that we show, I'm going to turn it around so that folks can really get a good view of all. Look at all the colors in the confetti.
That's why it's my favorite, right? Your reds, your greens, your blues. If you don't know where to get started, this is such a great way because it works perfectly with any color combo. Then, of course, we have our beautiful gray. And I always say this is a little bit more like a charcoal. So if you have stainless steel appliances, if you have kind of that farmhouse chic kind of look going on, that's going to be perfect, as will the taupe next door. Taupe is a little bit more like a muddy color, which is really beautiful, a putty color, which is really beautiful.
Ooh, a muddy putty.
So I love that. A muddy putty. I went with putty first, but muddy came out. So then I just, I don't know.
Blue is most popular too.
I love that. That cobalt blue, if you're that European style color collector, that's going to be perfect there. By the way, your nails look fabulous, Mary.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
I just had to insert that. Then, of course, we have your classic black. So again, black and white if you have toiles, if you have more of that kind of rooster, if you've been collecting doodle-doo, love that. And then also next door, of course, we had to have our red, and that is a super bright kitchen red. Really, really beautiful and stunning.
I mean, if you're looking for a perfect holiday gift for your neighbor, grab that red while we've got it. Now, it's on 3 easy payments of $8.21. And Tara, because we've loved Temp-tations for 19 years, we've ordered more than, I think it's 21 million sets now. Folks are buying more than one. Why a crock? What made you want to add this to the Temp-tations family?
So it's one of the biggest requests that we get all the time, right? Where am I going to put all of my utensils that I want, right? We
Yeah.
we sometimes put them in the drawer and then the drawer doesn't want to open. This is a nice way, at least in my house. This is a nice way, of course, to be able to store everything. But if I'm going to ask you to put something out on your countertop and leave it out on your countertop, it needs to be practical, it needs to be beautiful. And so we're always, the way I think about things is multiple uses. So why
Yeah.
does it just have to be a utensil crock? Being able to have your tablet, being able to place to have for your cookbook, and of course, put all your tools. And if you want to use it as a vase, you can. So many different ways. That's what makes Temptations so special.
Well, and let me tell you something, meals and memories made here. There is
I
sentiment
love that.
involved in every single piece that Temptations put together. And when we talk about 21 million sets, when we talk about, 19 years at QVC, Tara, remind me again, how many people in the Temptations team?
There's about 12 of us.
Yeah, that's a family, okay?
Yes.
That's a family
Yes.
putting all these ideas together. And so really there's a lot of beautiful sentiment always. And this one is front and center. So we have it in red. We also have them in black. We have them in blue. Blue is now most limited. We have taupe. We've also got gray, and then we've got the little hiding confetti over there. I get it, because confetti has been most popular. Confetti's probably hiding like, please save Mary one. Please just one. But H227322 still available. Grab it while we've got it, and the price goes up at the end of the day. So grab, and run. Tara is going to be staying with me, my friend. You want to head over to the dining room table, talk about TV dinners?
Why not? I would love to.
We're going to talk about the Today's Special Value. So while Tara gets all set up, while we put on our favorite movie to talk about the TV trays, take a look at this gorgeous table. When it comes to setting your holiday table, whether you're having a gathering of